Hi everyone. In this short video, I'm going to tell you what are the various AI roles available for 2025. There are various roles that are available based on the artificial intelligence in 2025. Some of the top roles that are available in the industry are: first one is AI engineer, then is the data scientist, machine learning engineer, NLP specialist, computer vision engineer, and AI product manager. These are the top roles that are available in 2025 based on the artificial intelligence. And one more bonus role that are available, they are prompt engineer, AI trainer, and research scientist. And these roles are also in the rise. And there are many training provided by us to become a specialist in any one of these roles. Now, do you want to kickstart your career? Please come to eBlissTechnologies, attend the training program, the projects, and the internship. And thank you so much for watching this video.